Hey y'all, I'm Moonshine Bo. Good Ol Bocephus. I found this thing in the thrift store. I don't know what the hell a Cardputer ADV is, but then I turned it on, and bam, I am in love. I want to share with y'all what I've learned from this thing, the Cardputer ADV. I figured it all out within the first 10 minutes of owning this Cardputer ADV. So let's look at this thing over here. Let's look at this screen. I don't know, you can see the screen. It's not supposed to be white. But anyway, hold on. Let me fix this real quick. So here we've got the Cardputer ADV. You see the screen? I done told y'all earlier, the screen ain't white. Here it is. There's the screen. And I don't know what the hell an M5 stack is, but press any key to the menu. Now, we have scan, record, chat. Ooh, I want to chat up some hot mamas. Remote or IR. And then we got REPL. I don't know what the hell that is. We also have set Wi-Fi. I know what a Wi-Fi is. We got a clock and we got the keyboard, the IMU. I don't know what the hell that is neither. SD card, string IR. Oh right, chat. Whatever the fuck that means. We then have the GPS. The first thing I recommend y'all to do when you first get this, your Cardputer ADV is probably not gonna be completely charged. It says 29 or 28%. What we need to do first is to plug this in, plug that in, charge this thing up before you mess with it, okay? That's your step one. Other than making sure that your thing is turned on. Let's try out the first function together. It says scan. I don't know what it scans, but let's try it out. Scanning Wi-Fi. Oh snap. Look at everyone's Wi-Fi things on here. The scan function on your Cardputer ADV is to scan all the Wi-Fi networks around you. And I'm just trying to get out of this screen, and I can't. Just by pressing ESC. Another way I found to get out is just to press this button. It says BTN-RST. That button. Press that. And it'll reset your thing. And then you press whatever button, and it'll bring you right back to the menu. You can press restart every time, or you can press this button, BTN Go, to go back to home. Let's try the next function. Press enter to play. Y'all see that the screen changes according to the sound of my voice? That's interesting. Now, let's press enter and see what happens. What? What just happened? What the fuck? Let's reset. Let's go ahead and move on to the next one. ESP Now Chat. Now, what is this?
ESP Now Chat is an off-grid digital walkie-talkie for text. It connects your Cardputer ADV directly to other ESP32 devices without a router or passwords. On the ADV model, the upgraded antenna reaches up to 200 meters in open spaces.
Let's try this. Hey y'all, I don't know who I'm chatting with. I sure hope that I'm chatting with a hot mama. Well, hell, nobody likes me. Anyway, let's hit reset again. Go to the next IR remote thing. What is it saying?
The Cardputer ADV has a built-in infrared transmitter, which is a small LED located on the top edge of the device to control electronics like TVs, air conditioners, and fans.
Input NEC. I don't know what the hell an NEC is. So input an NEC message in ADDR-DEC. What the? Data DEC EG 16-1. Hit enter to send. Okay. I don't know what the hell this is. Moving on. Next, REPL.
REPL is an interactive terminal that lets you talk directly to the ESP32 S3 chip in real time. Instead of writing a full program, compiling it, and flashing it to the device, you type one line of code, hit enter, and the Cardputer ADV executes it immediately.
Pika script. Give me a Pikachu or something. That didn't do nothing. Set Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi SSID.
The Wi-Fi SSID is the public name of a Wi-Fi network, like home internet, for example. When you see a list of available networks on your screen, you're looking at a list of SSIDs. On the Cardputer ADV, the Wi-Fi SSID prompt is asking you to type the exact name of the network you want to join.
Well, I don't know what the hell this does neither. Try again. Clock. Well, I know what a clock is.
The Cardputer ADV uses two methods to track time since its ESP32 lacks a dedicated backup battery. System uptime shows exactly how long your Cardputer ADV has been running since it was last turned on or reset. Real time. Once you have set your Wi-Fi, the Cardputer ADV connects to an atomic clock server on the internet.
What hell? Next, let's go to keyboard. We have a BLE keyboard and we have a USB keyboard.
BLE keyboard. Your Cardputer ADV can act as a standard Bluetooth keyboard. The USB keyboard lets your Cardputer ADV act as a standard wired keyboard through its USB-C port. It's plug and play, so no drivers required, and it works on any computer or phone.
To the next thing. I am you. Look at there. What is this? What is this I am you thing?
IMU is a tiny, specialized chip that allows the device to feel how it is moving in physical space. Think of it as the inner ear of your Cardputer ADV. You can use it as live directional data, a level, and as an input. You can code the Cardputer ADV to react to your hands, like tilting the keyboard to scroll a menu or shaking it to refresh a screen.
I might be able to use this thing to help me hunt. Next, we've got the SD card. SD card info, SD card not found. Well, hell, of course the SD card is not found. There ain't no SD cards in this thing just yet. Duh. Some more IR bullshit.
String IR uses text-based codes to control devices without needing an original remote. It's pretty much the fastest way to turn your Cardputer ADV into a universal remote. So that means if you lose your TV remote, you can just find the string for that TV model and use it.
What is this thing doing right now? I don't know. Next, we have the Laura chat. Whoever the hell that is. Who's Laura chat? Init cap Laura 868. Well, this ain't worth a damn. Let's start over again. Yeah, that's right. The good old GPS. Now I can use that for hunting. Again, it's showing me the same boo crap from earlier. Init cap Laura 868. Cap init failed. Cap Laura 868 is required. Please connect it to continue. I don't have no damn Laura 868 cap thing. So, I guess that's it. Well, told y'all this thing is cool. I found it at the thrift store earlier for 30 bucks. Y'all should get one too. And help me figure this thing out. Thank you. Yes, that was me. This thing is so itchy. I don't know how people have these like long ass beards and stuff that they have on their face. God, that is so freaking itchy. I hope that was funny. I have the outfit for it, and I just figure I can just go ahead and create a different character. I hope you guys enjoy that. I'll see y'all later.